We also appreciate Amajuba district with its municipalities of Newcastle, Danhauser, and Emadlangeni. Ngakho-ke ngiyafisa nabo masipala nakuba phela sishayela izandla ufishi ukuthi uyabhukuda kodwa sibashayela izandla. I had a friend at the NCOP from Pumalanga, umfethu John. Mesuma that no, you don't thank the fish for swimming because the fish has to swim. Also, us as government, you don't have to upload for us because it's our job. You don't upload the fish for swimming. But there is this difference. Omunye ufish uthi uyabhukuda uphume ngaphandle ungabisakwazi ukubuya esihlabathini. Omunye ufish ubhukude kahle nje, ubhukude kahle, ushaya amafoli, wenza osomasalt ukwenze konke, bese uyawushayela izandla ngoba uyasomasalt, ukwenza kahle konke. Now, this fish, 2024 fish called GPU in KwaZulu Natal, iyasomasalt ayidlali. So you can applaud for it because your money is serving you. That is what this fish guarantees, that your money is serving you and your money is going to continue to serve you for as long as you want it to happen. Come 2029, if you want this money to continue serving you because it's yours, it's up to you. It's up to you. But the promise that this fish is giving you is for as long as this fish is swimming, it is going to service you adequately, effectively, and well so. For our wordsmiths that are here today, that are eager to post and cause havoc on social media streets, allow me to free you from suspense and further anxiety and officially announce that the 2026 Dundee July will take place on the 18th of July at Endumeni Racetrack, and the theme is Elegantly African Fleet. Yeah. Our Smiths, our that. Elegantly African dash fleet. I hope people will be lit in their heads, in their attire, in their feet, in their eyes. People will be lit in every aspect of life on the 18th of July. Ulit bagit. No. Akukho late. Akuyena ulimit. Ulit.